This coming as COVID cases continue to rise in the Carolinas. Several North Carolina counties have been upgraded to the CDC's high COVID community level, and several different variants are starting to gain traction. But with so many people relying on at-home tests, the data can be skewed. UNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner is in Uptown to explain how researchers are keeping tabs on viral spread in the community.
The latest data released by Mecklenburg County shows we are experiencing high COVID transmission again. A few factors play into that, but wastewater monitoring in particular shows that levels are around the same as they were during the Delta peak. Research suggests that 4 to 6 days before a positive test, COVID particles show up in our wastewater. Testing demand ebbs and flows, but samples from our sewer lines give scientists a steady stream of data. And right now, the wastewater levels in the Charlotte area are in the red.
What that means is that the values we're seeing are in the top 20th percentile or above of any values we've seen in the history of monitoring that site.
Cynthia Gibas runs the sequencing lab at UNC Charlotte, where wastewater monitoring has been underway since September 2020. She says overall in North Carolina, those levels are not as high as during the Omicron peak, but the trend is familiar.
What the unknown is this a peak right now, or is this just kind of an upward trajectory? Because there are two other variants of concern, BA4 and BA5, that are coming in behind the current one.
The current dominant strain is BA2.12.1, another Omicron subvariant. It makes up the majority of cases in the state and county. BA4 and BA5 have been detected in the state, but not in the county yet, although it's likely coming.
So right now, we're in a higher risk period. And if you are the kind of person who feels like you need to be careful, want to be careful, this is a good time to be careful.
Right now, there's very little strain on our hospital system, but experts are urging people to take actions that will keep it that way. Only 35% of people in Mecklenburg County who are eligible for a booster shot have gotten one. Doctors say that helps prevent severe disease. In Uptown, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.